mouth. Put it in your mouth. You're a little freak. You're a little freakazoid. You're eating it like a little weirdo. You're so fuzzy. Go night-night. Stop drinking your bottle like that. Are you even drinking any of it? No. It's been in your mouth for 5 minutes and you haven't drank any. Fuzzy butt, fuzzy butt.